Hello everyone. Welcome to Layla Crochets. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet this beautiful 5-point star. Let's begin. We'll start by making a magic circle. Now, work 10 half double crochet stitches into the magic circle. Try to keep your stitches even and relaxed for a neat finish. Once all 10 stitches are complete, gently pull the yarn tail to close the magic circle. Then join the round with a slip stitch. Now it's time to create our first star point. Start with one single crochet. In the same stitch, make 1 half double crochet. Next, chain 2. Into the next stitch, work 1 double crochet. Now make 1 chain. Finish with 1 single crochet. And that's your first star point. Continue repeating the same stitch pattern around the circle until you've made all 5 points of the star. Take your time. Enjoy the process. And don't worry if your first one isn't perfect. Every project helps you improve your crochet skills. Once all 5 points are complete, finish your work neatly. Cut the yarn. Your beautiful crochet star is finished. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Layla Crochets. And let me know in the comments what you'd like to crochet next. Thank you so much for watching.